Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator known as the Ulcer Index. Okay, so we're going to be discussing the Ulcer Index indicator in this video. Now, it's important for you to know that this indicator is a custom indicator, so you will need to download it from an external source. After doing that, you have to add it to your indicators library, and then you would have to restart your terminal before you will then be able to use it on your chart. So I have already done all those, and I'm going to be adding the Ulcer indicator to the chart right away. Right. So the Ulcer Index indicator looks like this. Right. So in order to make it clearer, I'm just going to make the color quite darker, right? Okay. Now, the Ulcer Index is quite an effective indicator. It helps traders to measure downside risk, okay, in the market. So developed in 1987 by Peter Marin and Bryon McCann. This indicator focuses on periods of price decline. Okay, it focuses on periods of price decline, giving you insights into both the depth and duration of losses. Take note that this indicator focuses on periods of price decline. So this indicator shouldn't be used by a trader who wants to take advantage of every price movement, whether buy opportunities or sell opportunities, because if you are looking for buy opportunities, this indicator is not exactly the best indicator for you. All right. But if your strategy revolves around buying and holding your trades for long, if you are a swing trader or a position trader, or if you prefer to trade stocks, maybe you want to buy some stocks and hold them for long periods and all of that, this indicator can be a great option for you, because the indicator gives you information when significant declines are about to happen. Okay, now unlike traditional volatility indicators, the Ulcer Index is specifically designed for analyzing risk during downtrends. So can you see, you will notice that during periods of decline, the Ulcer Index always rolls up to the top. Can you see that? Let's just go back, and let's begin to analyze. So can you see that during this upward move, the Ulcer Index was just moving sideways. But when a decline happened, when a decline started, you can see that Ulcer indicator was going up, showing that there is a downside momentum. Okay. And then once they started trending up again, the Ulcer indicator just came back down, waiting for another opportunity of a decline. So here again, although this was a consolidating market, we had a consolidating market here, but considering the fact that this sell was quite considering the fact that this sell was quite significant, we can see that the Ulcer Index indicator gave us a signal of a downside risk. You can see that this particular sell dropped below the support. Okay, now let us look at another example. Here again, after the price went up, you can see that the Ulcer Index indicator gave us a signal when this downward move started. All right, let us leave these consolidation zones and go back to areas with trends. Okay, so you can see that we had a trending market here, and see how the Ulcer Index indicator was just moving sideways. So it was moving sideways until we began to have a significant downward move, and the Ulcer indicator gave us a signal. So if you are a trader that holds trades for long, or you are more like an investor who buys a commodity and holds it for long, then you might want to use this indicator to monitor periods of downward moves. Okay, you can decide to, whenever there is a significant downside movement, you can decide to exit your position and wait for an upside to resume. Of course, if you are using this indicator for holding trades for long, you will be focusing on higher time frames. This could be daily time frame or weekly time frame or even monthly time frame, depending on how long you hold your positions. Okay, so whenever a downside risk comes, you can decide to exit your position and wait for the bullish move to resume. All right, you can see here again, you can see the Ulcer Index indicator gave an indication of a sell here, an indication of a sell. Here again, as the price was coming down, give an indication of a sell. Here again, give an indication of a sell. So that is actually the focus of this indicator. So I'm going to recommend using this indicator only if you hold trades for long periods, okay? Because if you want to scalp, there are better indicators to use, right? There are actually better indicators to use for scalping, okay? Because a scalper would want to take advantage of both buy opportunities and sell opportunities. So you cannot be relying on an indicator that only gives you a signal when there is a sell move. All right. So this indicator was not exactly designed for, scalping per se, right? Because it doesn't exactly give you scalping signals. Okay. Even as a day trader, you might not exactly find this indicator to be the best, right? Because there are better indicators to use for day trading strategies. But if you are a swing trader, if you are more of a trader who buys maybe stocks or indices or whatever commodity, and you're just looking for signals of potential downside risk in order for you to know when to exit your positions and perhaps buy again when the market is in a better condition, better bullish condition, then the Ulcer Index indicator is for you. All right, so that is it for this video. If you have any experience using the Ulcer Index indicator, kindly share your experience with us. And if you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section. How has the Ulcer Index indicator been? If you have used it before, how have it been for you? Has it been effective? Have you enjoyed your time using it or not? All right. So thank you for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.